How does your data get from point A to B in a split second? We're diving into the internet's hidden GPS. Well, it all comes down to routers, the internet's traffic hops, and the smart algorithms they use to make decisions. Routers basically have two philosophies: ask for directions locally or just use a complete map of the network. So let's start with Ask a Neighbor, which is technically called distance vector. This one's all about trust. It doesn't see the whole picture. It only knows what its immediate neighbors tell it about the roads ahead. It's kind of like a game of telephone. Each router just passes along whatever information it gets from next door. But what happens if your neighbor gives you bad directions? Yep, your data can literally get stuck going in circles. All right, on to the other strategy, link state. Think of this one like having a full-blown GPS. With this method, every single router builds an identical top-down map of the entire network. No guesswork involved. Routers just send out quick alerts when a connection changes, which keeps everyone's map perfectly up to date. The huge plus, since everyone has the map, the network can find a new route almost instantly if something breaks. But, of course, there's a catch. Maintaining that huge, detailed map takes a lot more memory and CPU power. So when you put them side by side, the trade-offs are super clear. It's all about what the router knows. And look, this isn't just theory. These algorithms power the protocols that run the actual internet every single day. You'll see things like RIP on smaller networks, but the internet's core, that relies on heavy hitters like OSPF. So the choice is pretty simple. Distance vector for smaller, simpler setups, link state for when speed is everything. It really boils down to two philosophies: trust what your neighbor says, or get the complete picture for yourself. And that's the big question. As our world gets more connected, which one of these ideas is going to win out?